What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be unboxing my FN 509 compact MRD. I just purchased this from Sportsman Warehouse. Finally got it in today. It costed me about roughly $770 total, including tax. Like I said, I got it in today, so let's go ahead and check it out. FN logo. The world's most proven firearms. All right, you get the nylon pouch here. You have all your red dots hardware here. Comes with a lock. This goes in your chamber, I believe. 2 sets of keys. The manual inside. FN manuals book. Also has a little quick setup for your red dots. So that completes the little paperwork, instructions. Let's get into this guy here. Okay. This is the FN 509 compact MRD in flat dark earth. (9mm), 3.7-inch barrel. This one comes with, I believe it comes with, so there's 2 magazines. It should be a 15-round magazine. Yep, 15 round magazine and a 12 as well. Comes with 2 back straps. This is the slimmer version. The other guy on this one, it's a little more thicker. See, I can just get all 3 fingers on the gun itself. I'll go ahead and clean up that little oil residue that I just haven't gotten around to. Let me know what you guys think. Did I make a good purchase? It ran me about $770 total, including tax. I waited about 2 weeks. Another 2 weeks for my background check to clear. Like I said, this is a 9mm striker-fired 3.7-inch barrel, standard 12+1 capacity. Has the capability to accept all higher magazines, so you can run the 17-round and the 24-round magazine, which I do plan on purchasing the 24-round magazine. It can accept about nearly all mini red dots out there, so that's a plus. Features blacked out iron sights. Let's see. Basically a full size. It performs like a full size pistol in a concealed carry package. So this is gonna be my everyday carry. It is striker fired, double action, fully ambidextrous controls. It just looks so nice, man. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. What do you guys think? The grip textures really good. Fully ambidextrous slide stop lever and magazine release. Comes with 2-round magazines, 112 and a 15 round. The owner manual, locking device, FN logo soft pistol case. I have another surprise. Treated myself to this one. Holosun 407K. Let's go ahead and unbox this guy. I did purchase this today. It ran me about $240 after tax. This is a user's manual right here. Holosun 407K X2. Did I make the right purchase on this red dot? Again, let me know down below in the comments. Comes with this tool. I believe 2 sets of screws here. Pretty nice little box. Let me know, did I make the right purchase on this Holosun 407K X2? This doesn't have the 32 MOA. It's just 6 MOA dot, 50,000 hours battery life at the number 6 setting. Perfect to fit for a carry concealed firearm. It does have the locking functions and motion sensor, which is a plus. It's waterproof as well. I wanted to purchase the 507K, just like the older brother to this guy. It's the newer version, same size, but it's just not the red dot itself. It comes with the circle, and the red dot. So it's fine. Let me know what you guys down below in the comments. Let me know if I made a good purchase. Now, total about $240. It looks so good. I can't wait to get it on. I'll go ahead and do another video once I install my red dot on my new 509. Plus and minus for the brightness there. Pretty simple. You do not have to take the red dot off your gun to install new battery, which is a plus, and it takes the size 16 32. It also has the sights built in. Doesn't it look so good? In the comments below, let me know. Please let me know. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. You guys do me a favor. Drop a thumbs up. Feel free to give me a thumbs down. Leave some comments down below. Let me know if I made the right purchase.